We had the month of speed. I hope everyone enjoyed those drinks. Now we're heading into summer months, so let's get into tiki a little bit. Now, tiki it's actually an Americanized idea. The drinks are created to make you feel that you are on vacation. You're away from the job site. Allow you to transport your mind to a tropical oasis. Mainly created by, Donda Beachcomber, Trigger Vic, nowadays Martin Cate at Smuggler's Cove, or Jeff Beachbum Berry. There's names that are all around. But one thing that some people may not know of is not all tiki drinks need to be overly sweetened. Of course, sweet is a name of the game, but it doesn't always have to be sweet. And a good example of that is coming in right here. We're going to create the Jungle Bird. Never had it? As tradition? Let's make it. Need a lime? I'm gonna give it a slice. I need a ½ ounce of lime juice. These limes ain't the greatest at getting juice. There we go. ½ ounce of lime juice. Now I need a ½ ounce of pineapple juice. If you want to juice your own pineapple, go for it. I went store-bought. ½ ounce pineapple juice. A ½ ounce of Demerara, Turbinado, Muscovado simple syrup. This is 2-to-1 by weight. I need 3/4 of an ounce of Campari. This is from Italy. It's a very bitter aperitif. And now I need a dark black rum or dark rum. I'm going to be using Gosling's. Some people may look at me and say, why are you using that? Why aren't you using something else? It's what I have. And I need 1½ ounces of a very dark rum. You know what to do. Grab yourself a large ice cube, and like so. That'll work. And now I'm going to grab a rocks glass, and I'm going to put some ice into it. I'm going to go 4 cubes. Fresh ice. All thrown up. Strain her in. Now, optional garnish would be a pineapple wedge. Add into the side of this. Completely up to you. It's optional. Some would say maybe required. Don't know. But this is a Jungle Bird. Cheers. Ooh. That's bitter. That's very bitter. No, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of how bitter it is. This is, now granted, this is my palate. I prefer slightly sweeter. Not much on terms of bitter. You get the rum. The rum is there. It's barely there, but a lot of the flavor to me is hidden by the Campari. This will be refreshing much in the same way that the Cherry Bounce, that's a couple episodes old now, is refreshing because this would work in a hot day when you're, it's 100 degrees outside and you're just like, oh my god, it's hot. This would work. For a normal day, like a day like trying to get away, this might not be it. But it's completely it's a fine cocktail. It's just, it's not for me. Yeah, a bit of history about the Jungle Bird. It was actually created in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, at the Aviary Bar. Hence why it's called Jungle Bird. Aviary Bar, bird, avian, makes sense to me. And this was back in the 1970s, 1973. So it's not as old as, say, the king of tiki drinks, the Mai Tai, but it's not relatively new. So if you liked the video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, let me know. Have you had a Jungle Bird? And if so, where? What did you think of it? Do you know of any other tiki drinks that will be coming up that you may want to see? And you know where to find me on my socials down below. Find me on my personal YouTube page, Scott W. Smith, and try to get there Saturday nights. I'm trying to get back into the streaming deal, but With things being as they are, it's a rather difficult time. Until then, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.